Guess Mathematics Science, ninth class, 2023 short questions. Unit 1 from ninth class. Exercise 1.1, question 3. Exercise 1.2, question 5, part E. Question 6, part 2. Exercise 1.3, question 3, part 7. Question 4, part 4. Question 5, part 7, 9 and 10. And question 6, 7, 8. Exercise 1.4, question 2, 3 part 5, 4 part D, 5 part 4, 6 part 2. Exercise 1.5, question number 1, part 4, question 4, 6 and examples 3, page 27. Exercise 1.6, question 1, part 6 and 7, question 3, 4, 5 and page 30, question 3, 5 and 7. Unit 2, exercise 2.1, question 5 and 6 and page 44, examples 2. Exercise 2.3, question 3, part 4, page 46, example number 2. Exercise 2.4, question 1, part 1 and 4, question 2 and 3. Exercise 2.5, question 1, part 5, question 2, part 5, question 3, part 5 and question 4, part 5 and 6. Question 5, 4 part and question 6, 5 and 6 part. Question 7, 2 part and page 55, question number 4, 5 and 6. Unit 3, exercise 3.1, question 1, part 9 and 10, question 2, part 4. Exercise 3.2, question 2, part 3 and 4, question 4, part 2 and 4, question 5 complete and question 6, 3 and 4. Exercise 3.3, question 1, part 6, question 2, 3, 4 complete and question 5, part 3, page 71, examples number 2 and 3. Exercise 3.4, question 1, part 5, 7 and 8. Question 2 complete, question 5 also complete, page 73. Question 3, part 4, question 4, part 4, question 5, part 3, page 74. Examples number 3, question 6 and log laws. Unit 4. Exercise 4.1, question 3, 4, part 4, 7 and 8. Question 4, part B, question 5, part 4, 5 and 6. Question 6, part 2, 3 and 5, page 86. Examples number 3. Exercise 4.2, question 1, part 2, question 3, 5, 6, 9, 11, 14, 15 and question number 15, part 2 and 3. Exercise 4.4, question 1, part 3, question 2, part 4, question 3, part 2 and 4, question 4, part 5, page number 92, example number 3, page number 93, example number 5. Exercise 4.5, question number 1, part 4, part 6 and 8, question 2, part 7, question 3, part 2, question 4, part 3, question 5, part 2, page number 96, question number 5 and question number 7, part 4 and question number 8 complete. Unit 5, exercise 5.1, question 1, part 5 and 6, question 2, part 4, question 3, part 3, question 4, part 2 and 4, question 5, part 4, 5 and 6, page 104, example number 3. Exercise 5.2, question number 1, part 4 and 6, question 2 complete, question 3, part 2, question 5, 6, 7, 5 complete. 5.4, question number 1, part 5 and 8, page number 112 and question number 3, part 1, 7, 8 and 9. Unit 6, exercise 6.1, question 2, part 4 and 5, question 3, part 2, question 4, part 2, question 5, part 3, question number 7, 8, 10, 11 complete. 6.2, Question 3, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 13. Page 125, example number 2 and 3. 6.3 exercise. Question number 1, part 7 and 9. Question 2, part 5. Question 3, part 1. Question 4, part 2. And question 5. Page 129. Question 6, 7, 8 and page number 132. Example number 3. Page 134. Example number 3. Unit 7, exercise 7.1, question 1, part 2, part 7, question 2, part 2, 3, 6 and 8, page number 137, example number 2, exercise 7.2, question 2, part 4, 5 and 7, exercise 7.3, question number 1, part 4, 7 and 8, page 143, question 5, part 2, question 6, part 3. Unit 8, exercise 8.1, question 3, part 5, question 4, part A. Exercise 8.2, question 2, complete, question 3, part B, question 4, part 1 and 3. Exercise 8.3, question 3, page 167, question 5, part 1 and question 6, part 3. Unit 9, exercise 9.1, question 1, part D, question 2, part 5. Exercise 9.2, question 5, 7 to 10, 7, 8, 9, 10 are complete. Exercise 9.3, question 1, part D and E, and question 3, 4 and 5 complete. Unit 17, exercise 17.1, question 1, part 3, 4, question 2, part 2, question 3, complete, question 4, part 1, question 5, part 2, exercise 17.2, question 1, part 3, question 2, part 2 and 3, question 3, part 3, question 4, part 2, exercise 17.3, question 3, 4 complete, 17.4 exercise, question 3 complete, 17.5 exercise, question 2, 4, 6 complete. Theorems are important from chapter 12 and 16. Theorem from chapter 12, 1, 3 and 6 are important, and theorem from 16.3 and 16.4 are important. Important definitions: rectangular, metric, symmetric, square, diagonal, singular, skew, symmetric, indices, exponential, surd, algebraic expression, HCF and LCM, Cartesian plan, radical equation, origin, triangle, equatorial triangle, trapezium, SAS postulates, SSA, similar triangle, congruence, centroid, bisector acute, obtuse angle, octagon, scientific notation, natural logarithm, anti-logarithm. Long questions. Exercise 1.6, 2.4, 2.6. Question number 7 complete. Example number 4, page 55. Example 3.4 complete. Review page from page 74. Exercise 4.1, question 6 complete. Exercise 4.2 complete. Exercise 4.4, question number 5 and 6, review page number 96, question number 5, 6 and 8. Exercise 5.5, question 5, part 4, 5 and 6. Example 5.2, question number 3, part 7, 8. Question number 4, part 1, 2, 5. Question 6, complete exercise. Example 5.3, question 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6.1, last 5 questions are important. 6.2, say question 7. From 6.2, question 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 are important for long questions, and 6.3 complete for long questions, 7.1 complete for long questions, and 17.2 also complete for long questions. From 17.2, question number 1, 2 and 4 are important. MCQs from all review exercises Wish you best of luck to all of you, and thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.